Diamond, and I'm a songwriter, and I'm here to teach you a song called Clap Your Hands and Stomp Your Feet.
Okay.
It goes like this. If you want to be a clapper, all you have to do is clap your hands. And all if you want to be a stomper, all you have to be is stomp. If you want to be a roller or a little thing that you roll with,
Woohoo!
all you have to do is do that. If you want to be a kitty cat, all you have to do is practice following. If you want to be a hawk or a bird, all you have to be is a flapper. And if you want to be a clapper, thank you.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Enjoy the buffet. Bye.